have, and has are used to show possessions or ability. They are also used to describe something. Has is used when the subject is singular, except for the pronoun I. Have is used when the subject is plural, and with the pronoun I. Examples: I have talent in music. I have a green car. We have a beautiful house. We have time to go to the zoo. You have a great voice. You have a wonderful career. He has a beautiful cat. He has a good chance of winning the contest. She has a strong body. She has many talents. It has a long tail. It has big eyes. They have good news for us. They have a lovely dog. Negative: don't or doesn't plus have. To make the sentence negative, use don't or doesn't plus have. Don't is the contracted form of the words do not. Doesn't is the contracted form of does not. Use don't with I, we, you, they, and with a plural noun. Use doesn't with he, she, it, and with a singular noun. Examples: I don't have talent in music. I don't have a green car. We don't have a beautiful house. We don't have time to go to the zoo. You don't have a great voice. You don't have a wonderful career. He doesn't have a beautiful cat. He doesn't have a good chance of winning the contest. She doesn't have a strong body. She doesn't have many talents. It doesn't have a long tail. It doesn't have big eyes. They don't have good news for us. They don't have a lovely dog.